Yeah, put the ear all the way over here.
Hi, ma'am. Is that you?
I'm afraid to look at you. I'm looking at him. I can't believe this is a purring cheetah.
He's very happy purring.
Yeah.
He's gonna come pet his ear?
That's okay.
You getting the sound? Wow. You're amazing.
Try to relax.
Yeah.
Is there anything we can help with while we're here? Anything? Parents acting?
No, we're trying to.
Stick your hand in there.
Sure.
Steve about it.
Okay, that's one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't go too far.
Robin, just be careful. I know.
I'm
Oh no, not the edge of that.
Oh.
The edge of the beam is right here.
Oh, okay.
So
All
you're
right, I get it.
over.
Yep, okay. Yes.
Yeah, before I tore the deck up, I put the plywood down to make sure he's walking. And it's sort of, oh, nope, no problem.
You are a cool customer. You're a laid back guy, huh?
He has his moments.
Yeah.
I think he's not. He's doing okay. He's going through the terrible twos when he gets worried about stuff. So hopefully he'll come out the other end and be a good guy.
So you'll go sit in there with him and
Oh yeah, I
he'll sit in your lap
he gets in my lap. And the biggest thing is
That's
I'm
amazing.
having this issue with my knee, and he puts his elbow right down on my knee, which just hurts so bad.
What are you doing?
Oh, there's a tail.
Well, that's the first I've done.
Oh, roll like
You
that.
want us to come in and play?
Posty used to be the one.
He wants
Boy,
to
he'd
come
come
in and play.
the second he'd come back out of the vent, he'd lay down and roll.
It is. There is something different about it when there's no.
Yeah.
When you're in the room,
Yeah.
I feel you. I feel you.
you don't have that protection.
Yeah,
Oh,
Eric
he
said it
does
was
that
like
to
a
text
weird
them.
energy. Did you
the
feel
room?
it?
Yeah, absolutely. As soon as the first one walked in the door.
Yeah.
Hi,